In this video, I'm on the ultimate street food mission. 500 pesos, one vibrant market, and a whole lot of deliciousness to try. From usual Filipino comfort meals to some crispy fried bites.
Chicken head. How do you actually eat
We're
this?
diving headfirst into this crazy, mouth-watering challenge. Let's see just how much flavor I can grab for 500 pesos.
Hey everyone, I'm Xuhmbuddy and today we are here in a street food market in Angeles City, Pampanga. Welcome to Totobits.
Totobits are popular Filipino street foods. Bite-sized pieces of chicken or other meats, buttered and deep-fried until crispy. Typically served on a stick or in a plastic cup. They are seasoned with spices and sometimes dipped in sweet or spicy sauce.
Alright, so here's the challenge. Today I'm setting myself the ultimate street food mission. Spend just 500 pesos in this vibrant street food market and then let's dive in. The clock starts now. So let us start with the first street food stall here inside Totobits. Here they sell some delicious Korean street foods. Oh yeah. First 61 pesos in Totobits. So here we got fried kimbap rolls and some, I think, Korean sausage. Pretty heavy snack for the start. Let's give it a shot. Dip it into sauce. Some kind of a red sauce. Oh, I like the sauce. I think this is gochujang sauce. Oh, sweet, savory gochujang sauce. The kimbap is alright. Chase it with some sausage. Oh wow, the sausage. I like the sausages. This is like crunchy. The sausage has some crunchy skin outside. Tastes pretty, just like a sausage. There's nothing special about it, but wow, it's a great start. And then this one, I don't know what is this. I think it's some fried stuff with vermicelli inside. Oh wow. You can taste the seaweed from this vermicelli. Alright, let's move to the next stall. Wow, look at the amount of fried stuff they got here. A huge mountain pile of fried food. Oh, so here we got the creamy tofu. And then let's grab a stick. So 65 pesos down for this creamy tofu and a stick of isaw. This is the creamy tofu. Looks pretty appetizing. Never tried this one. So let's give it a shot. The tofu is a little bit sour, and then the cream, yeah, tastes just like a cheap mayonnaise. Not the best stuff here. I don't think I'm gonna finish this. Let's move on. This isaw or the chicken steam, we usually put vinegar into it. So I think that's alright. So this thing can be pretty good, but it can also cause some problems down there. So one thing to remember, if it stays bitter, don't swallow it, okay? If it stays bitter, spit it out. I can actually see some of the stuff inside the intestine. So let's see. Let's try this one. It's alright. The batter is a little bit hard instead of crispy. Not the best fried isaw I've ever tasted. Oh, so next, let's try out this Machos Mami Lutong Kapampangan ni Nanay at Tatay. Hello ma'am, good morning. How much is the bone marrow? 180. Oh, that's out of our budget. Wow, so here we got the goto. Goto is congee or lugaw. And then we got adobong baka. We have some braised beef and then some eyes of the cow. tastes pretty plain, like normal congee you can find here anywhere in the Philippines. And then this one in particular is pretty salty. The beef tastes very nice. Some fatty and tender beef. What is this? What is this long stuff? Dito ka. So, oh. Tumbong. Oh. So aside from beef, we also got some intestine of the beef. Good. Chewy. Alright, so we are already halfway there. Let's count our change. Because we still got some money left. Hey. So we still got some, we got 200
Money.
Then we got some loose change over here. And then let's go to the next stall. Oh, nice. So here we got our regular mami. This one is 45 pesos. I think this is beef mami. And here we got a pretty wobbly chair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fell down here. So let's try the soup first. I think this broth is made from, you know, the Knorr beef cube. It tastes like Knorr beef cube. Well, I cook sometimes and then I use that cubes a lot. Let's try the noodles. Oh, noodles here is I think it's egg noodles. The noodles doesn't have much texture on it. When you bite it, it disintegrates inside your mouth. So, and then it's a little bit chewy. Not the best, but I can see why people eat it. It's pretty alright for a regular day. Let's say in a cold day here in the Philippines. Yeah, I think it's pretty alright. What is? Right here we got some orange stuff. Looks like on a skewer. This one is beef lungs, and then this one is the cartilage or the tendons of the beef. Magkano po isa, kuya?
8, 7, 7.
Ano? 8 and 7. Tig-isa lang po. Okay, thank you. 8 and 7 pesos. So this is total 15 pesos. So let's try the cartilage of the beef first. This orange stuff, I don't know. I'm not sure why is it colored orange. I think they put some food coloring on it. Give it a shot. Wow. Pretty soft. A little bit soft, a little bit sweet. Wow, I like this one. And next we got the lungs of the cow. Chewy, savory. You can taste the seasoning inside the skewer here. Wow, this sounds very nice. And then let's drink some of the sauce. Some vinegar and some water, some soy sauce. Wow, I enjoy this really much. All right, let's move on to the next stall. This stall right now at my back, it's pretty busy, and I think this is the busiest stall here in Totobits. What? Did you see that? They got chicken head. How do you even eat chicken head? So the style of ordering here, you just get the skewer that you like and then just give it to the vendor. And then let's try out the chicken head. And I think the isaw here is pretty good. A while ago, the isaw there, it tastes pretty awful. Let's try this one if it will be good. Here's the chicken head. How do you even eat this? Then they're gonna take it to the topping, to the oil fryer again. So here we got our intestine and the chicken head. And then each of it costs 15 pesos each. So 30 pesos for this one. Oh. Alright, so we got our isaw here. So let's try this one. Again, if it's bitter, just spit it out. Let's try isaw. Wow. This one is a lot better than the one a while ago. What's the name is this? So come to YRC Chicken Stall. Your isaw here are seasoned great, seasoned properly, and then the batter outside much crispier. And then here, chicken head. How do you actually eat this? So we got a fan over here. He's asking for my YouTube account. Do you eat this? Do you eat chicken head? Do you like it? You like chicken head? You want to give it a try? You want a piece? Thank you. So they chop it up before they serve it up to you. There's bones. What? What's this? I think this is the brain, the creamy stuff inside. You just suck the bone, suck the brain out. Pretty creamy. I can say it's edible and pretty tasty. That's why. And then a lot of people are ordering it, by the way, the chicken head, and I can see why. Can you order one yakut, please? The big one. Yeah. And what is this yakut? I keep seeing this yakut in all of the stalls here. So is this a probiotic drink like the yakut? Not sure. So let's give it a try. Ate, bakit yakut pangalan?
Mixture ng pineapple and
Pineapple and iced tea. Oh. So the vendor said that the ingredients of this yakut is actually pineapple and iced tea. So there's no yakut inside. This one is 30 pesos. Let's give it to the vendor. So yeah, this is actually not a probiotic drink. It's just pineapple with iced tea. Give it a shot. I see this drink in almost every stall here in Totobits. Oh, so it must be good, right? It's just like iced tea. I don't taste the pineapple inside. But yeah, pretty refreshing. I like this. Oh. Wow. Wow, this looks amazing. I think, what do you call this, Kuya? Dynamite. This is called dynamite. So I think it's gonna be spicy. I'm not sure. So, Kuya, can I have isang dynamite po? And then isang kwek-kwek. So this one's 15 pesos. This one is 25. So it's 40 for both of that. Spicy and sweet. Let's try with the spicy sauce. Oh wow! Thank you. Here we got our dynamite. Then they gave us some ketchup and mayonnaise, I think. So let's try this one first. The dynamite. Wow, this one is freshly fried. So this one is green chili wrapped with some cheese inside, and then all wrapped inside a lumpia wrapper. Wow, this is pretty hot. I can feel the spice kicking in right now. Now let's try this one, the kwek-kwek. You can see kwek-kwek all over street foods in the Philippines. And then this one is actually a quail egg inside. Let's take a bite so that you can see inside. So it's an egg wrapped in some sort of a savory batter. The sauce, a little bit sweet, a little bit spicy, a little bit savory. Pretty good. And there you have it. I spent my 500 pesos here in Totobits, and I still got some change left. So from savory bites to some sweet treats, I can say that this was an absolute win. What do you think should I try next? Comment down below, and I'll see you in the next food adventure. I'm gonna go eat some more food right now.